Hey everyone, welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today, we are going to explore dictionaries, a data structure in Python used for storing key-value pairs. In my screen, you will see an example of a dictionary, which is they are enclosed in curly braces, the key-value pairs fruits, apple, snack, and burger. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the basics of dictionaries, how to create them, access their elements, and perform common operations. In this example, we have created a dictionary that represents a person's name, age, and city. You can easily access and modify its elements using their corresponding keys. Let me show you how. In this added block of code, you may now access elements by using square brackets and the key name. Similarly, you can modify existing elements by assigning new values to their keys. The highlighted code accesses the value associated with the key name in the dictionary, and this code modifies the value associated with a key age in the dictionary to 35. Now, once you run this program, John is the output of the first statement, and here is the output of the second statement after modifying the value associated with the key age to 35. So dictionaries support many operations such as adding and removing elements, checking for key existence, and iterating over key value pairs. Let's explore some of these operations. The highlighted syntax adds a new key value pair, gender, male, to the dictionary, and this syntax removes the key value pair associated with the key city, and in here it checks if the key age exists in the dictionary for key value in. While lastly, this iterates over the key value pairs, returning each key value pair as key and value. Click on run. So as you can see in the console, there is no direct output for the operations of adding and removing key value pairs. However, these operations modify the dictionaries. This is the output of the print statement if the key age exists in the dictionary, which it does, so age is present in the dictionary is printed out. While the for loop iterates over the key value pairs in the dictionary and prints each key value pair, resulting in output like name John, age 30, and gender male. That is it for our tutorial on using dictionaries in Python. I hope you learned something new, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to not miss out on our future tutorials.